Welcome to the AveriSource use case video series. This video covers business process identification and prioritization. Today we'll overview using the AveriSource platform to analyze your mainframe and mid-range applications to do business process identification and prioritization, or component mapping. In most cases, those doing the analysis would be business analysts or developers or architects planning a project. They would use the AveriSource platform to gain the critical insights and functionality from the current system and plan what components or functions need modification or repair. In this discussion, we'll show how we map components to business processes, functional groups, support teams, or assign workload priorities. To execute this process, we'll use the AveriSource platform, including Discover, for process identification and to understand the application architecture, data access patterns, and data element usage. Inventory, to determine missing and unreferenced items and use of platform utilities and third-party products, and Scan, to qualify and count content and size of the portfolio. As noted in prior videos, Scan is our free pre-project portfolio assessment product. Clients and service providers run this for project planning and staffing determination. For any project, whether it be daily maintenance or application reengineering, you need to start with as complete an analysis repository as possible. AveriSource Inventory helps in that process and identifies not just missing or unreferenced items, but also platform utilities and third-party products that may need consolidation, removal, or replacement, showing where they are referenced down to the line of code for context analysis. This helps to understand the portfolio and complete the repository for more thorough analysis. We'll start with the Discover process identification. When we first parse the code, we index the components and assign generic process descriptions. You can download the template, update the descriptions with business functions, applications or support groups, project priorities, or any identifier that helps with process teams or relevant segregation. In the download template spreadsheet, you can simply update the descriptions, save it, and upload it back to the project. If the application SMEs aren't available or don't exist, you can use the clusters view to have components identified by online and batch and sized by lines of code, connections, or complexity. Right-clicking on a component box shows the metrics for that component. To see a component's connections, the connections report enables you to filter by the selected component to see its list of connections. This report shows the connected component children with their component types and connection type. The Discover Complexity Analysis view provides 17 columns of calculated complexity numbers supporting industry standard Halstead and McCabe cyclomatic complexity measurements. This can help if prioritizing project workloads by complexity. The dependency view allows you to select priority components and generate a cross-reference report for the dependencies of those components. Discover data lineage views enable modernizing your data sources to newer data management technologies and products such as indexed or vSIM files to relational databases, showing data operations and cross-references and data structures or record layouts showing data elements, element types, and whether they're referenced in the program. Understanding these reference and usage patterns can help identify project priorities. Once you've gone through that analysis without having SMEs, now you can update the process descriptions in the process identification view and enable workload prioritization for your projects and teams. As you can see, the AveriSource platform provides accelerated assistance in understanding and mapping application groups and components to business functions, support teams, and workload prioritization. So, why not start today for free with the AveriSource Scan? Thanks for your time. Join us for other use case videos in this series or on our YouTube channel.